I would like to share a little bit of experience sa ako ang last school. Since mamutang murag active pa ko sa volunteerism. Uh, I was a Lasallian ambassador sa old school, and it involves a lot of volunteering work, specifically kanang mga dumi sa kanang bukid-bukid pa, mas bukid pa gani sa amo ang lugar, and then mag-teach me dito sa mga adopted communities. Pero ako ang na-learn karon or na-realize sa lesson ba is like some parts there sa ako ang work ato is like parang napugos gani ko, so dili ito ka na real good na volunteering stuff kay marag na ako'y ginaapas gani nga grades or dili kaya ka na mga incentives, and ako na learn is like ang volunteer is dapat willing ka nga mo serve sa others without expecting anything in return. So for you guys, unsa inyo na realize sa lesson?
Actually, same thought. Kay, part ko sa student body sa mga highest organization sa among school, student organization. Tapos, part sa among kanang alumni bitaw sa school na. Every alumni, nandiyan na sila ipa-tree planting. Tapos, ginatawag nila as sa amo ang reg head, ginatawag niya na mag-volunteer ang kami officers ato na parang program sa mga alumni. Tapos, kato kay gina-require gud ang mga attendance, pero ang thought sa iya kay volunteer. Pero sa amo kay required siya buhaton for attendance. So, na-conclude na ko na it's not really the volunteer thought kay niadto lang man dito for compliance and not the willingness to mag-help jud sa ilaha na mag-tree planting nga na. So there's two different perspectives sa paggamit sa term na volunteer.
Actually, I also had the same experience with sa inyo kay back sa senior high. Appeal ko sa math club and I was the president of the organization sa among school, and every January, since math month man na ang January, so naga-conduct ni of outreach program sa mga mga unprivileged na mga society good sa mga Sanhati. And same as you guys, ginatreat na ko siya as ginado na ko siya because na incentives. And if appeal mi ato nga activity, murag plus 15 sorry, and nga subject which is religious education. So parang wala gani ang purpose sa volunteerism, which is naa ang willingness. And upon hearing Sir Ralph's discussion, so it is an important element gidi ay nga kanang imuha ganing willingness, dili siya tungod kay naay incentive kumbaga ana good. So that's it.
For me naman, to contrast your ideas and thoughts, no, kaya daga naman ko experience with regards to volunteering in school, in barangay, and such. And then to like, sa senior high, required na community engagement. Kita, dili ni magbuot kung unsa na community ni padulong, either seniors, citizens, mga bata, or unsa man na siya. Dili kami ang magbuot. Sila ang maghatag sa muong para community kung asa may nila i-deploy, and the aside sa mga is the Talikala is community of prostituted women. Parang because of that, I take that as volunteer. Wala man din na siya sa mother since that year naman din na nagatumi dito. So because of volunteering, dagan ko na learn about communities such as Talikala na mga parang gani sa mga people prostituted women na naana sila. Because of that volunteering, na-learn ako na dagan sila experiences before that made that person now. And nag-strive for sila sa ilang best. Kung na din ang mga situation. And sa community po, ano po itong mga tree planting, and as a nature person, as an adventurous person, dami kayo sa feeling na maka-help and maka-give back sa community by not just like planting trees, it's about helping conserving water, mag-instill of values and morals good. It's really lang sa ko about my friends and the people that surrounds me. So, advocate ko for kanang sa environment, sa mga bata, and sa poverty. So,
I think po during your like experiences, past volunteer na experience kay, na-realize na ko ang importance sa elements of volunteerism. Kaya based dito, di ba, naatay time, willingness and commitment. Based sa yung experience, namoy time, namoy like kanang naglaan mong time to volunteer, naglaan mong time to help, nasa may commitment to finish and to do so because you're required and kailangan siya for compliance. So, ang kulang jud dito, ang wala jud dito is the willingness. Like, dili jud niyo siya kagustuhan. So, I think, mauna ang essence sa meaning sa Greek word, ba to siya, di ba? Na volo. Unsa kay ito, kinsay naka-remember sa meaning sa volo?
Yung volo is I will, I desire, and I intend. Basically, dapat meron ka talaga your own willingness mo,
Initiative,
and
yeah.
desire, and intention to actually help that person. Kaya yung, actually one time sa grade 11, kaya nagpunta kami sa House of Hope, somewhere in Catalunan. It was for orphan boys and girls. Honestly, at first, not that siya required, but I was actually like, interested in knowing. So I was like more of like, okay, let's try this. So after that, okay, nag-perform kami ng songs for them, nag-play ng games. And honestly, na-happy talaga ako nun kasi parang like, nag-smile ko talaga yung mga bata. Oo. It's like parang na-fulfill yung parang desire ko. Like parang pala, magpa-smile pa sila. Na-happy din sila. Pati sa grade 12, yung talikala, kaya na, kami, at first, kaya parang like, nahadlok yun may mag-usap kasi sensitive kay sila. Like parang, nag-warning yun ang mga teachers sa mga anak. Mas sensitive mga words na. So, nag-careful yun me. Pero after nag-share sila ng stories sila, nihilak yun me. Kaya parang ang willingness and intention ko to actually parang help them, like parang lakas ko siya. Kasi I wanted to parang sort of lessen their load. Kasi nahirapan talaga sila parang get out of their situation.
Maka-break siya, prejudice at the same time kaya at first sabi na ako makapasok din kami yun na. But then again, well, pero itong kaan ako dito na-learn na ako na share na nila ng mga testimonies ko. Naga sila nagito, nag-strive po sila to get out of their situation. Parang, po siya, relieving sa inyong mga
Okay, so ako mag-share na ang pagkog like short takeaway sa discussion gaina. And for me, volunteering is putting yourself out there gani and to show initiative para for you to be in the service of other people. And even though nga kanang you have mentioned that you have volunteered, but it was not really out of your willingness, but out of pure compliance to the sa mga requirements sa inyong mga teachers or sa administration. But for me, even though I myself I was also forced to volunteer once for an outreach program which was conducted back in Magsaysay. Tapos, back there, ang mga recipients kaya mga elementary students of a school, nga gamay lang kayo siya nga school. And then, at first, we thought nga, naalam diri kay para, as what you have said, para mag-comply sa mga kay performance task man naman to siya, so we had to comply jud and we had to perform this outreach program. But during that outreach program, we realized a lot of things. Ang mga students dito kay they had a really, or they're still having a really tough life, and yeah, they're having just a hard time even until now. And we realized through that experience na how privileged we are, and someday we hope to come back there kay para of course to share our blessings and to show to them that how much impact that they had on us. And through that volunteering activity too, I started to join more volunteering activities from other organizations, and also through my own organizations. I'm a student executive council. I also parang naging more inclined gani ko para mag-join sa mga events and mag-organize sa events because of what I had experienced, and also because of the impact that I think I made to those people around me. And I think that concludes our discussion for today. And thank you guys for sharing your thoughts and your takeaways. And I hope we all learned something from that discussion. Thank you.